Kartik Purnima, a revered festival celebrated in India, holds a deep spiritual significance for both Hindu and Jain communities. Falling on the full moon day of the Hindu lunar month of Kartik, this annual occasion marks a time of reverence, reflection, and communal harmony. Also known as Tripuri Purnima or Dev Diwali, this day commemorates Lord Shiva's triumph over the demon Tripurasura, symbolizing the victory of good over evil, a theme that resonates deeply in spiritual practices worldwide. Central to the celebrations of Kartik Purnima is the act of holy bathing. Devotees gather at sacred rivers and water bodies, such as the revered Ganges River, to take a purifying dip. This ritual is not merely an act of cleansing the body, but is believed to spiritually wash away one's sins, inviting blessings and divine grace. Varanasi and Haridwar are particularly renowned for their large congregations on this auspicious day, where the Ganges Ghats become a focal point for devotion. Another striking feature of Kartik Purnima is the tradition of lighting oil lamps. As evening descends, homes, temples, and riverbanks illuminate in a mesmerizing glow. Close to the Ganga River in Varanasi, these scenes find their pinnacle of beauty, earning the day its other name, Dev Diwali, or the Festival of Lights of the Gods. This illumination symbolizes the divine light that dispels ignorance and darkness, a core tenet in various spiritual teachings. Prayer and puja offerings are also integral to the celebrations. Devotees worship a pantheon of deities, prominently Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva, with special rituals and fervent prayers. The devotion is often extended to the worship of Tulsi, the holy basil plant. Considered a manifestation of the goddess Lakshmi, Tulsi Puja holds a significant place in households, particularly in regions of northern India. The spirit of giving and charity underscores the day's celebrations as well. Engaging in acts of charity like offering food, clothes, or essentials to the needy is a widespread practice. This aligns with the belief that altruistic gestures accrue good karma and divine blessings. Across India, Kartik Purnima brings unique celebrations reflecting regional traditions. In Varanasi, the grandeur of Dev Diwali unfolds with arti ceremonies and the floating of diyas along the water, creating an ethereal spectacle. Meanwhile, in Odisha, the Bhuita Bandhana festival takes place, celebrating with the floating of miniature boats in rivers, a nod to the state's storied maritime history. In Punjab, the festival coincides with the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, leading to vibrant celebrations and processions within gurdwaras. Kartik Purnima is not just a festival, but a profound spiritual occasion in the lives of countless devotees. Through shared rituals and remembrance of divine triumphs, it fosters a sense of community and connection to the divine. The reverence for the divine light during Kartik Purnima brings people together, echoing the universal message of hope, enlightenment, and unity across cultures.